How to have swipe on Snapchat new update. So all you have to do is make sure that your application is updated. So it actually depends if you're an iPhone user or Android user. Just go to your Play Store or your App Store, depending on what device you have, and make sure to update your application. Now, if it's updated, what you're gonna do is to go here directly to your Snapchat application, and it will lead you here to the camera section, right? Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you'll see five different options. You'll see the chat section there, the message section. Click on that, and as you can see, you'll see all the chats or conversations that I had with these people. And as you can see here, there's a specific chat here as it says new chat. Let's say you want to have swipe it and read the message without having it notified as you have already read it. Now to do that is you have to make sure that you are swiping. Let's say you will see the bitmoji, right? All you have to do is to click on the bitmoji. I mean, to swipe on the Bitmoji from left to right like this in this motion. So left to right, and make sure to not let go of it, and then make sure that you have hold it. As you can see, I'm still holding it, and now you can read the message. Now if you're done reading the message, just put it back, and as you can see, it's still notified as a new chat. That means there's no notification that you have already read the message. And basically that's how you have swipe on Snapchat new update. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.